This video is a documentation of how to create your own comment bank in PowerTeacher Pro. Once you come to the PowerTeacher Pro class or website, on the left side you can see PowerTeacher Pro. Select that. It will take you to the first default class, or you can select whichever classes you need to add a comment to. But today we are trying to make a comment bank, so I'm going with the first class, or here I'm going to select PowerTeacher Pro. So you can see the assignments that are there for this particular class. And now I need to create comments. So what I'm going to do is click on grades, comment verification. Brings you to the report for the class based on the 5 entries. I'm going to select the first student. Opens up a panel on the right side, and I can make changes here. Here you have a little note which says add a comment to accompany a student. I'm going to click on that, which opens up a text area where I can actually type in the comment for the student. That is what I normally can do. Now you can also add the comment from a comment bank if you already have it selected. So let's see the options that we have here. So I selected the show comment bank. That's what it is. Yeah, it has opened the comment bank. Okay, so now we have opened the comment bank. This is the default comment bank that you have here, where you have a number of comments. If you know the number of the comment that you wish to add, you can select that and it should be added. The objective is not using that. I want to create my own comment bank. That is what I want to do. Okay, so if you click on the gear icon over here, you have a number of choices. Currently the district comments default that is saved in the database can be seen here. If you want to create your own comments, you can go manage comments. That's what we're going to do. Since I selected a comment previously, it's asking me to save it. I'm not using it, so I discarded the change. You will notice that in the comments here, you will see in angular brackets, the first name is written. So that is a way to add the student's correct name when you enter the comment. So I'm coming to my comments, and I do not have any comments here. So the district comments are here. This is a comment bank, and my comments, this is the place where I can add my own comments. Okay, so I'm going to click add. So now it gives me a choice. Let's say I want to add a comment. I'm going to call it, I'm going to give it a name because it's for a grade 10 science class. I'm going to say SNC2D1, and I'm going to say it's comment number 1. And the comment that I'm going to do to write is ideal for a level 4 class. So I'm going to use it as a category there. And I also want to insert smart text, which means if I want the first name to be included, then I will go with first name. Or you can merely type these using angular brackets. I have a list of smart text that can be used. These are, you can write it in a notepad and just copy and paste it if you need. That's one way to do it. So if you want the student's first name to appear, go with first name in angular brackets and then continue with the text. So for instance, if I want to add this as a comment, I'm going to copy the text and paste it over here, give a space, Control V has saved or entered the text. And if I click save, that's it. So I have the first comment there. Okay, so this was one of the comments that I entered earlier. So for that reason, I should have realized that was just being loaded. The numbering has to change. So let me add one more comment. So I want to add the second comment again, SNC to D1. I'm going to give it as the third comment. Again, it's going to be a category 4. So here right now I'm going to use the last name. Select that, Control C, Control V, space, select the comment that I need, Control C, copy, and Control V, paste, and I'm going to save it. So I've added the third comment. If you by any chance need to edit the comments, you can go over here, so you have the 3 different comments here. So that's how you can enter comments into your MyComment. Using the smart text would be nice, or for using pronouns, you appropriately enter the information inside the angular brackets, and the formatting should also be as required. So that's how you can enter a comment. Now that we are done with that, we can go back to grading. And then we need to do comment verification. So I'm going to add a comment to the first student. So I'm going to click show comment bank. Okay, so I have to actually select my comment bank. So I'm going and clicking on the gear icon. I will select my comments. Okay. Now if you look at the comments that are available, there are 3 comments here. Okay, so I'm going to add the first comment here. I'm going to click plus. So the comment appears next to the student's name. Save the comment. Let's save the comment. Okay, so the comment appears to have saved. So let's go back again to grading, comment verification. So you can see that there is one comment added to the first student. And you will also note the small icon here, which represents or indicates that a comment is present for this particular mark. That's how you can create a comment bank and add the comments to it.